Right, hello. I'm back again. I've got an unboxing this time. This is something I picked up off eBay. It cost me just under £60, including postage. From the UK. It's described as a 38 item lot of gents wardrobe stuff. I'll put you the listing up here so you can get an idea of what I could see. But I'm just going to get into it and open what's in here, find out what we've got, give an idea of what I'm going to get back, and see if you think it's worth it. So comment down below after you've watched some of this. Was I 60 quid on this? Did I make my money back? Have I done the right thing? Was it a good idea? Any of this you can get from me. You can buy it off my Depop probably. I doubt any of it will make it to ASOS Marketplace. Or you can just hit me up on Instagram at Ralph's Vintage. Again, I'll put that on the screen. Got a big box, 38 items, so I'll try and get through it. I know some of it's going to be absolute rubbish, but that's part of the fun. These boxes, these job lots. This is probably just some guy's wardrobe moving out or decluttering or something. You don't know why. Just see what we get, find out what's in it and what it's worth. So I'll just get straight into it. See what we've got. Just a nice plain vintage corduroy shirt. Nothing special on the brand. Jeeves and Hawkes. It's a Savile Row one, but they don't go for loads of money. Nice pink colourway, that'll go nicely on Depop. Someone will pay me 15 quid for that. Got this is nice. Turnbull and Asser, another one that I recommend you look out for. It's a gents tailoring brand, old as anything. They make shirts for the royal family. Prince Charles wears these, they go for really good money on eBay. So that'd be a good one for there. Not that exciting for Depop, no one will touch it on there. But really nice eBay material that. This is a weird one. Paul Smith jeans. It's an older 90s tag. All over print. Pretty horrible but kind of cool in the same way. These sort of things again do well on eBay. If not, it's a cool kind of all over print shirt that someone will pay me 20 quid for on Depop if not. This is nice. Polo Ralph Lauren overshirt in a corduroy, nice cream colourway, like military pockets. Again, this is probably an older one. Northern Mariana Islands, so they don't make it there anymore. That was one of the ones that got shut down in the late 90s as a producer of clothing. Nice seller that'll probably get me 30 quid, 25, 30 quid. On Depop, what we got? Sort of brightly coloured plaid or check flannel shirt. Old 90s like department store brands. Nothing crazy, nice flannel shirt, good for layering. People like them, just a nice staple. 15 quid on that probably. Another one here by Bill Blass. Don't know, again 15 quid, nice flannel shirt. Got a, what's this, plain white shirt by St Michael's. It's a dress shirt, like a formal one. Really nothing serious at all. That'll probably go straight to charity shop. Shout out Billy though on St Michael's. Big fan of that, I know you are. You Can't Find Everything if you want to check out Billy. Plain Dockers, chinos, khakis. Nice sort of workwear vibe, quite similar to Dickies. These will go on Depop, 10, 15 quid, they're alright, nothing mental. Some plain white trousers it looks like, yeah. Probably straight to charity shop with them. Some striped shorts, these are, yeah, OG Nautica, 90s Nautica, so they're nice, they'll get 15 quid on Depop comfortably. Nice print on there with the logo. Let's say old tag. Good seller them. What's this? Another Turnbull and Asser. This one's not quite as nice. It's a bit of a weird, like faded out red colour, but you know, still good on eBay. I need to check exactly what they go for, but it's decent. So really expensive if you buy them brand new. This is probably the best thing in here, I guess. Old Burberry's, made in England, Novacek lining to the collar, corduroy shirt in a really quite nice colour. That's a nice blue. Again, full lining, 40 odd quid, 35, 40 on Depop. really good seller. Anything with Nova check sells really easily, and a corduroy is cool as well. People like corduroy. We got Nautica, another old Nautica hand knit wool jumper. Nothing super exciting. If it had a nice design on it, I'd say Depop would be the best place, but it's probably going to go on eBay. But I'll get a 30 quid for that. Probably nice hand knit, really good quality. Again, older tag. It's a good brand. It should do well there. What we got? Nice thickish cotton overshirt. Again, nice Oxford shirt. Alexander Julian colours. So like another 90s brand. 15 quid on Depop. Nice sort of festival wear. Dead charity shop. More white trousers, again, dead charity shop piece. Plain white Charles Tyrwhitt charity shop piece. Gone to a bad run there, didn't we? Mulberry shirt, nothing exciting, it's all plain by the looks of it, yeah, but that's some prime eBay fodder. 15-20 quid on that, maybe a little bit more. Same people that made the handbags, so that's nice. Got this, what looks like silk, feels like silk, yeah, silk Armani, Emporio Armani sort of scarf, shawl thing, paper aeroplane type print. That'll probably go on eBay as well. Collect Zone, Marks and Spencer's white trousers. I might put those on eBay if I can be bothered, but probably just charity shopping. There's some more. This one's old St Michael's. Again, shout out Billy. Nice faded from 1994. Faded blue with a nice side stripe on them. These are size large, I think. Yeah, size large. Again, top tip: if you find St Michael's, you can always date it. Underneath the on the care label, there'll be a little date there. Says the date it was produced up until 2001, I think it was, maybe a bit later. Really cool, some of their pieces, and then some of them are just so dead. But that's quite nice. Probably get 10 on them. These are nothing exciting. Classic pair of 501 Levi's, 15-20 quid. People love them still. Classic pair of jeans. This. Oh, we've fallen out loads here now. Right, what we got here? Blazer, unlined but nice thick material, well made. Giorgio Armani. Again, really quite dull, dark colours, but that's sort of 40 quid on eBay. Nice piece. What we got? Some dead polo. Yeah, probably just charity shop that again. What's this? Edinburgh Woolen Mall charity shop. So that's part of it in these boxes, isn't it? You get some absolute crap BHS women's charity shop. You just got to throw it out, but then you buy it for the good stuff. Blue Harbour Marks and Spencer's charity shop. That Hugo Boss plain shirt. Again, that's probably eBay. Unless anyone wants it. Nice minimal sort of smart shirt, good quality, 15 quid. Oh, didn't know this was in here. Right, Burberry's. Again, older, probably 80s. It's lambswool. It does feel a little bit shrunk, but not terribly. Nice plain black sort of V-neck, which is a shame. So I might get 10 or 15 quid because it is a little bit shrunk, I think. But decent. People like Burberry's, they search for it, so it should sell quite easily if I put it up cheap. What's this? Linen shirt by Peter Elliott. I don't know him. I might look him up if it's any good. eBay again, but if not, charity shop it. Got some more, some more Mulberry team. These are swim trunks or board shorts. Nice patch on there. Little embroidered logo on the hem. Probably 15-20 quid on Depop. Some jeans. These are Hugo Boss. Absolutely horrible. Getting towards the bottom here, but still some things in here. Some horrible t-shirt. You're so easy to resist. That's not going anywhere. That'll go in a charity shop. Plain some Marks and Spencer's trousers again. Charity shop them. Another Hugo Boss. This one feels lighter, maybe like a linen, or a light cotton. Might bundle the two together. Little scarf. got a label here. Giorgio Armani again, plain nice sort of summer scarf, so that might do well now on eBay. I've got this really sick Woolrich thick like overshirt, nice striped cotton, old tag, probably 80s, maybe 90s, really lovely quality. Look out for the older Woolrich, it's really nice. This is sick. I might keep this if it fits me, but otherwise Depop 25-30 quid because it is such a cool design. And then last thing in here, last thing is a dead thing. It's some no brand old shirt, so that'll go straight to trash. That's the box empty. Let me know what you think. Did I do alright? Have I made my money back? Was it worth it? Would you do it? I said I don't do this often. It's a sort of fun thing to do when I've got time. Bit like Christmas, you get a big box to open, but never anything super stellar, or at least not yet. Yeah, let me know. Again, find me on Instagram at Ralph's Vintage, RALPHSSS with an underscore vintage. You can talk to me about any of the pieces you've seen there, and you can see my other stuff if you like. I'll be doing more videos. I've got some cool shirts to show you, old t-shirts from my collection, stuff I own, and I'll put out whatever content you feel I've got. I've got a lot of clothes, a lot of cool stuff, and a lot coming in, so I could do some pickups like this, or I could do what's going out, or collections of stuff, whatever, let me know. Anyway, thanks, do all the YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe, etc. Share this with someone. Big up. Thank you.